Hi guys, welcome again to a new episode on the smart home. Well, today we're going to talk about the Ring. Kevin, how do you like this doorbell? It looks small.
Yeah, it's nice and it's black and it's cute. I mean, it's a beautiful doorbell and it has a camera, so yeah, it's definitely smart.
Yeah, and you must ask yourself, can we really use this in our region? It's funny, in the US they use 24 volts for doorbells and thermostats. It's crazy.
Yeah, so they have a different current outside the house and for specific things like the thermostat, and they have another one for the normal devices like the TV and all that, which is, I mean, it's weird, right?
So what we're going to do is we have something that's going to allow us to power it and still use it in our region. So stay tuned, let's go. Alright, yeah, this is the power adapter. HQRPAPW is some made in China stuff. The whole point is to be able to convert 220 or 240 volts, which is what we use here in this part of the world, to convert it to 24 volt AC or 40 volt, depending on the device that you're going to use. Yeah, so it supports multiple powers. So we have input at 120 volts, input at 208 volts, and input at 240 volts. Yeah, so the black is the neutral, and then you have the different potentials here. Once again, guys, please don't try this at home on your own if you are not trained for it. If you don't know how to manipulate electrical current, just don't do it. All right, Kevin, let's do the honors. Do us the honors for the Ring, you know?
All right, so here's the Ring. So we are just going to unbox it and see what's inside. All right, so Amazon always brings it in.
The packaging is so compact. I love when you do that, actually.
And they always have this. All right, this is the manual. Wow, this is a lot of things for just a Ring bell. All right.
Yeah, they've tried to squeeze everything into a very small packaging, and they still managed to put everything in there, you know. Yeah. Simple small box.
All right, so this is a tool. Yeah. They're actually providing a screwdriver. That's cool. You have the Ring. And what is this? Okay, and this is what we need to install it.
Yeah, so this is just an empty box. Yeah, we don't need that. Woo, go on.
All right, so we actually have no idea what those things are. We are going to do it on camera, but don't do it. All right, so
yeah, this is an Allen key. It's a small.
It's a screwdriver.
It's a screwdriver. Yeah, just to. And then the Ring doorbell. Yeah. Basically, we need to connect this here, and then we need to connect this part straight to power.
Right, so let's remove this.
Yeah.
All right. Here.
So that's on.
So here you can see there's a warning, and here we have.
Yeah. So the warning is about 24 volt 40 VA. Yeah. Minimum 10 volt, maximum 24 volt 40 VA, which is exactly the output of our device.
Transformer.
So our transformer. Let me stick that right here, you know, just not to lose it. It's on.
Alright. So here's what it looks like. So here's the doorbell, and this is the camera. So yeah, that's it. And you have to connect the current over here.
Alright, so we figured out we don't really need this. This is used when you are in the US. It connects front to trans. I don't really know what that is.
And this, the screwdriver and the screw is the same. It's all part of this thing. So we don't really need this.
We have our own screwdriver. It's a tester and it's also a screwdriver. You are going to need this to fix it on the wall. Kevin, you show it to us.
Yeah, so it's just, we could just have to push this out, and then you install it in the wall. You have to install it here in the wall.
So this is just a cover, and then the white stuff goes to the wall, and then the screws go through that. Yeah. So that's pretty straightforward, right?
Yes. So we will not use this as well because we are going to power it on here and set it up here. So when we will do it on the wall, then we'll share the video on our social media. Okay,
we've gone ahead and curved these so that they can fit on the screws. It's AC, so it doesn't matter which one you put on what side. I'm just going to go ahead and screw this one in and the other one right here. All right, so we have the transformer side set up. It's sturdy, it's not touching each other, very important. Never cross cables. So this part is set up.
So now we need power. Don't do this at home.
All right, so we have the neutral, and we already know that this is the 240 volts. So it's AC. Again, it doesn't matter. So we're just going to make sure we tie them together. So this goes here. And this goes here. All right, come on.
So don't forget to, you still have to isolate it so that it doesn't connect and create a short circuit.
So yeah, we have some black tape here and insulation tape. So we're just gonna use that right there to make sure we don't have electricity flying on the table. Guys, this is real crazy stuff we're doing on YouTube.
I think you should flip it.
All right, so that's it. We are ready to power it on and see if it doesn't burn.
Hopefully it doesn't burn your hands. As you can notice, we've moved the Mac because, like, I mean, you don't want this kind of thing happening now in your iMac. All right, so let's isolate this one. All right, so I'm going to power it on.
Let me put it out of the, and that's it. Beautiful, guys, it worked. So just as we expected, the Ring doorbell came on. So we've converted it properly, 24 volts to 250 volts to 24 volts. It's ready for setup. All right, so we are here now.
We just set up the Amazon account, the Ring account, and we're now going to set up the Ring doorbell. So you go to the Ring app, select doorbell.
Okay, scan the code on the Ring product.
It might be on the box.
Rectangular barcode. All right, yeah, so it's there.
All right.
Scan the QR code on the Ring device. There's no QR code on this Ring device. What do you think? What are they telling me?
So scan the one on the box. Might be the one on the box.
There is no QR code on the box. Okay, there is one here. Oh. All right, guys.
That's kind of weird, man. Sometimes you can just open a device and then throw out the box.
Don't throw the box.
That's weird, right?
Definitely don't throw the box.
All right.
Yeah, front door. No need to install it. Yeah, we're good with that. Got it. I have a wired doorbell. I'm just accepting everything so that we can get to. They're just doing so many things. This is the craziest setup I've ever had. Why are they trying to make me do all that?
Yes.
Yeah, finally I got here. Light is spinning white. They should have just allowed me to choose if I want to do it or not.
Yeah, if you want to see the instructions or not. I mean, this is the kind of thing that makes people stop installing their devices.
I mean, it was mandatory. All right, light spinning white. Let's go. This is where we wanted to start from. One prompted, connect the Ring to the Wi-Fi network. Got it. Connect to Ring doorbell. Well, it's gonna use technology to do that because it already has a QR code. And yeah.
Now connected to the Ring app.
That part was really simple. It just connected. So connecting to your Ring doorbell. Yeah. For some reason, my Wi-Fi is gone. I believe, okay, it's back.
Oh, this is taking a long time.
Yeah, it's taking longer than I expected. The process for setting doorbells is really simple.
Now connected to the Ring app. Okay.
And that's it, yeah. Connecting to my Wi-Fi.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Just a moment.
Just do that, baby.
All right.
Yeah, this is a lot of waiting. Okay, fill in the blanks, blah, 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 continue. Just a few steps.
Setup successful. Now installing an update. This may take several minutes.
So the doorbell is going to update.
And it's also mandatory. Everything about Ring is mandatory and compulsory. You cannot skip. I would have liked for them to tell me that it's good to update, and if I don't want to update, I can do it later.
I mean, it's just a doorbell with a camera. Matter of fact, I think you would have been down right now if you have bought a camera separately and the doorbell separately.
There's motion on my front door. Okay.
And I receive it on my watch as well. So it's a notification. So
alright, live view, that's all I want. Okay, it's still installing an update and it's gonna take 15 minutes.
wow.
Once it's done, the device will be ready to use.
15 minutes later.
Now, there was no chime with this device, so one thing you need to remember, every time you just do the setup like I did, just skip through everything, because at the end of the day you can still change all those settings and add the chime separately. Ring usually sell the chime separately, so I don't know why they are making it a mandatory step in the setup. Just browse through until you set up your device, and then you can take your time later on.
And also, I don't really think the chime is necessary, because I mean, you can connect it to your Alexa devices and they'll just ring in your living room and in your rooms when somebody's at the door.
And that's the advantage. That's the advantage of the Ring, because it directly integrates with Alexa. So when someone presses, Alexa is going to say, "Hey, there's someone at the doorbell, at the front door, or whatever you call your Ring device." It's still notifying us that there's a motion, yet we still cannot go to live. So we're going to pause here and come back when the update is done. All right, so we are back. Update is done. See what's new. I don't want to see what's new. I don't want anything. I just want to go live. All right. Let's say something through the doorbell. Hi guys.
Hi. Alright, so it's recording on the phone, and you can have a live view of whatever.
Well, I don't know if it's recording on the phone.
No, I mean, it's showing the live view, because I mean, for the doorbell, I don't really think you need to record, right? It's not a security camera. You just need to be able to see who's at the door, and it's me. Right. It's kind of odd though. The video is not like okay, the frame per second is kind of low. I'm sure it's 23. Yeah. So the quality is good though. I can see myself like really good, and
Yeah, this is a great doorbell. So, well, we're gonna put it at the door and start enjoying it. That's it for this video. My name is Igor from MrPurpleTech.
My name is Kevin from MrPurpleTech.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And don't forget to watch the other videos on smart home that you've done.
Alright, see you guys. Peace.